Are you ready to transform your dining table into a stunning fall centerpiece that wows your guests and makes every meal feel like a cozy autumn celebration? Whether you're hosting a big family dinner or just want to enjoy the season's beauty in your everyday life, your fall table decor can set the perfect tone. But where do you start? How do you blend natural elements with modern styles, or create a minimalist look that still feels warm and inviting? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the best fall table decor ideas that will help you create the perfect autumn ambient. From incorporating natural elements to choosing the right linens, I've got you covered. How can I incorporate natural elements into my fall table decor? Nature offers a wealth of inspiration and materials for creating a warm, inviting fall tablescape. Incorporating natural elements can make your table setting feel connected to the season and grounded in its beauty. Are you ready to transform your dining table into a stunning fall centerpiece that wows your guests and makes every meal feel like a cozy autumn celebration? Whether you're hosting a big family dinner or just want to enjoy the season's beauty in your everyday life, your fall table decor can set the perfect tone. But where do you start? How do you blend natural elements with modern styles, or create a minimalist look that still feels warm and inviting? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the best fall table decor ideas that will help you create the perfect autumn ambient. From incorporating natural elements to choosing the right linens, got you covered. How can I incorporate natural elements into my fall table decor? Nature offers a wealth of inspiration and materials for creating a warm, inviting fall tablescape. Incorporating natural elements can make your table setting feel connected to the season and grounded in its beauty. Point 1. Use seasonal foliage as a focal point. One of the easiest ways to bring the outdoors in is by using seasonal foliage. Think about incorporating colorful fall leaves, branches with berries, or even eucalyptus for a touch of green. These can be arranged as a centerpiece in a vase, laid out as a runner down the middle of the table, or even woven into napkin rings. Point 2. Add natural textures with wood and stone. Incorporate wooden elements like rustic chargers, wooden coasters, or a wooden tray as a base for your centerpiece. Stone elements, such as marble or slate placemats, can also add a touch of elegance while keeping the natural theme. These materials bring warmth and an earthy feel to your table. Point 3. Incorporate fruits and vegetables as decor. Use fruits and vegetables as part of your table decor for a fresh, seasonal touch. Pumpkins, gourds, apples, and pears can be beautifully arranged in a basket or scattered across the table. Not only do they add color and texture, but they also reinforce the fall harvest theme. Like and share. Enjoyed these fall table decor ideas? Hit the like button and share with friends who love to decorate for the season. What are some creative ways to style a fall table for a modern yet cozy look? Achieving a balance between modern style and cozy warmth in your fall table decor is easier than you might think. With the right elements, you can create a look that is both contemporary and inviting. Point 1. Play with metallic accents. Modern design often incorporates metallics, and fall decor is no exception. Consider using gold or copper utensils, candle holders, or chargers. These accents add a sleek, modern touch while also reflecting the warm tones of autumn. Point 2. Mix and match tableware. Create an eclectic, modern vibe by mixing and matching your tableware. Combine plates of different shapes or patterns, or pair traditional pieces with more contemporary ones. This approach not only adds visual interest, but also makes your table feel personal and unique. Point 3. Layer soft textiles for warmth. Even in a modern setting, coziness is key to fall decor. Layer soft textiles like a woolen table runner, plush napkins, or even faux fur placemats. These layers add depth and warmth to the table, ensuring it still feels inviting and comfortable despite the modern aesthetic. Comment: which table decor idea will you be trying this fall? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How can I create a minimalist fall tablescape with a touch of boho flair? Minimalist decor is all about simplicity, but that doesn't mean it has to be boring. Adding a touch of boho flair can bring warmth and personality to a minimalist fall tablescape. Point 1. Choose a neutral color palette. Start with a neutral color palette as your base. Think whites, creams, and soft grays. These colors provide a calm and serene backdrop that embodies minimalist aesthetics. To introduce the boho flair, incorporate earthy tones like terracotta or mustard in subtle accent. Point 2. Use simple, organic shapes. Stick to simple, organic shapes for your tableware and decor. Choose plates and bowls with clean lines, but perhaps in an irregular shape or made from handcrafted ceramics to add a boho touch. Incorporate a few pieces of woven decor, like rattan chargers or macrame placemats, to enhance the boho vibe. Point 3. Incorporate dried flowers and pampas grass. Dried flowers and pampas grass are perfect for adding a boho element while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. Arrange these in a simple, clear vase or lay them along the center of the table for a soft, natural look. They add texture and a hint of color without overwhelming the simplicity of the tablescape. Playlist. Want more fall decorating tips? Check out the playlist in the description for even more inspiration. What are some effective ways to use pumpkins in fall table decor without being repetitive? Pumpkins are a quintessential fall decor item, but using them creatively can prevent your table from feeling cliché or repetitive. Point 1. Vary the sizes and colors. Instead of using the same type of pumpkin throughout, Mix it up by incorporating pumpkins of different sizes and colors. White, green, and even soft pastel pumpkins can add variety and a modern twist to your table. Group them together or scatter them across the table for a dynamic look. Point 2. Carve or paint pumpkins for a unique touch. Consider carving patterns into your pumpkins or painting them with metallic or matte finishes. This approach transforms them from a simple seasonal item into a customized piece of decor. You can carve out simple designs or even use stencils for more intricate patterns. And the painted pumpkins can match your overall color scheme. Point 3. Use pumpkins as functional decor. Think beyond just setting pumpkins on the table. Hollow out mini pumpkins and use them as candle holders, or create a pumpkin vase to hold your centerpiece flowers. This not only adds a creative element, but also ensures the pumpkins serve a practical purpose on your table. Subscribe. Don't miss out on future decor tips. Subscribe to my channel and let's keep the seasonal vibes going. How do I choose the right linens for a fall-themed table setting? The right linens can tie your entire fall table decor together, adding color, texture, and a sense of warmth. Point 1. Opt for warm, earthy tones. When selecting tablecloths, runners, and napkins, opt for warm, earthy tones like deep reds, burnt oranges, and mustard yellows. These colors immediately evoke the feeling of fall and complement natural decor elements like pumpkins and foliage. Point 2. Mix textures for added depth. Don't be afraid to mix textures in your linens. Pair a smooth linen tablecloth with a burlap runner, or use velvet napkins alongside cotton placemats. The contrast in textures adds visual interest and depth to your table, making it feel richer and more inviting. Point 3. Layer linens for a cozy look. Layering is key to creating a warm, fall-inspired tablescape. Start with a base tablecloth, add a runner, and finish with individual placemat. This not only adds dimension to your table, but also allows you to play with different patterns and colors in a cohesive way. More similar videos? Check description. Looking for more ways to bring fall into your home? Check the description for links to similar videos. Conclusion: fall is the perfect time to get creative with your table decor, transforming everyday meals into a cozy seasonal experience. By incorporating natural elements, playing with modern touches, embracing minimalist aesthetics with a boho flair, creatively using pumpkins, and choosing the right linens, you can create a table setting that feels both stylish and inviting. So whether you're hosting a big dinner or just want to make your home feel more like fall, these tips will help you set the perfect autumn table. As seen on video, check tips. Love the decor items in this video? Find them in the description below and start decorating your table today.